lime in the coconut, then you feel better. Put the lime in the coconut. Come on, doctor, wake him up.
Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea, girl. Porque lo sepas. Porque hoy me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Yeah, 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 yeah. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer. Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Que yo lo quiera, ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me sepa amar, que me además de novia también sea amigo. Sos justo, no veo qué casualidad. Qué rico es tocar tu...
More central to the property and all the hotels, including the Santuario area, is the restaurants that you can sit indoors or outdoors. And it also has a water show in the evening that shows right in front of where you're showing now. The Asian restaurant is called Gong, and this is the menu. And they also have a prefix menu where you can spend, I think it's over $100 per person to sit there and have somebody, a chef, cut the meat up and fry it in front of you, as is traditional with lots of Asian restaurants. We did not partake of this.
No demuestra lo que tú haces con mi piel. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti, dulzura. Que pasó esto yo solo cuéntate. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar como tú lo mueves, rapa, pam, pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no pasó nada, solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame.
This restaurant, La Cantina, is our favorite. It's a Mexican restaurant, as you can tell. It has indoor and outdoor seating, and we have eaten there many times, and you can see this in prior videos that we have done here. We went at the busiest time of the day for La Cantina restaurant and had to sit indoors, and after about a 20-minute wait. They serve 6 different types of salsa with chips, which are mild to very hot. Our favorite appetizer is the queso fundido, which is comprised of 3 different cheeses and applied onto tortilla. I did some research, and there's many different types of queso fundido using various different types of cheeses. I think the one that they use here is a mixture of Gouda, Manchego, and cheddar cheese, quite possibly also and or Navarro cheese as well. It's a must try. This evening, Ely opted for the pork belly tacos, which she liked a lot.
Aunque hay muchos rumores, mucha gente que comenta.
I, on the other hand, am comfortable with most any type of Mexican food, but here I'm having chicken fajitas, and they were very good and quite filling, and we had to take some of the food back to our room with us because it was so much.
Y nos acordamos cuando en esos días había pasión. Yo no sé tú, pero quiero que haya esa conexión. Baby, no digas.
This is the Santuario, which means Spanish for sanctuary, where they have various entertainment pretty much every night of the week. Tonight, at this time, they have a mariachi band. And there's quite a few people here. There's basically almost no open seating at this time. We took a taxi to downtown Puerto Vallarta in basically the tourist area, and it was just a few days after Dia de los Muertos, which is November 1st, so there were many exhibits still up. Apparently there was competition and prizes were given for the best, and there were some very, very interesting and very nice displays.
Yeah, yeah. Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea, girl. Que hoy me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Yeah, 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 yeah. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la crudela gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras ser. Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Y yo lo quiero, ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me sepa.
This is the famous Malecón Boardwalk in downtown Puerto Vallarta. This whole area is lined with multiple shops for souvenirs and other things, as well as multiple restaurants.
Además de novia, también sea amigo. Sos justo, no veo qué casualidad. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido esa llama.
Arriba, abajo, al centro, adentro.
Arriba, abajo, centro, abajo.
We're gonna eat dorado fish, and Joe asked for nachos, and we are sharing between three of us. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What do you get?
Nachos beef
Oh, nachos and beef.
with beef, and we got mango margarita, lime margarita, and strawberry margarita. 2 for 1.
2 for 1 margaritas.
Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que de locos, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decirte. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo.
This is the old central square where they still had the display of Dia de los Muertos.
Que todas tus amigas te dicen nada. Yo voy a llorar un río como maná. Baby, a ti te adoro y lo sabes bien. Y me aseguro no te...
About a block from the boardwalk is Our Lady of Guadalupe Church, which was started in 1903 and had its first Mass in October 12, 1921, and it was totally finished 84 years later in 1987 for various reasons. It is famous because it has the crown on the top, which apparently is the only one in the world like this.
sentido por mi bebé, yo pa' ti estoy. No puedo vivir sin eso, sin tus caricias y tus besos. Qué rico tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido ese llama en mi arte. Qué rico tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que te loco, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decirte.
Here is a view of the ocean, the beach, the gondolas going to the beach, as well as several of the hotels that make up Vidanta Resort. To the bottom of this is the area of Santuario and some of the restaurants, and there's a golf course as well. And here is a view of the daytime of the Santuario with no entertainment going on.
Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Y yo lo quiero, ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me sepa amar, que además de novia también sea amigo. Sos justo, no veo, qué casualidad. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido esa llama que arde.
Look at this gorgeous sunset from the balcony of our room at the Mayan Palace.
Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que de locos, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decir.
We're here on our last night at Vedanta for this visit. We're sad to go, but we have to. And we had a great sunset, the first good sunset we had the whole time we were here. We're going to not go to a restaurant tonight. We're going to eat in. We still have some food left over from our Walmart excursion when we got here. So we have a couple of bottles of wine. One is sweet, one's not sweet because Ely likes sweet wine as well as Valeria. And we're eating ramen, cup of soup, and chips and some bread. And then we're going to have a nice dessert that we bought earlier today here at the plaza in Vidanta Resort. So, bon appetit!
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que esos labios me besen ya.
Yum. This is chocolate. This has vanilla and some other stuff. This is chocolate and coffee. Here we are wrapping up our latest trip to Vedanta, Puerto Vallarta. It's Saturday morning or noon thereabouts, and we're going to be catching a flight in about 4 hours. So we've all packed up and we're just kind of hanging out for a little while, and then we're going to the airport to fly back home. We're sad to go, but we have to go. So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and it was educational for you on our latest Vedanta trip. And we will be back here to in the future, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We utilized our priority pass at the airport in Puerto Vallarta to get some food and alcohol, drinks, as well as some coffee or tea. And they had some pretty good food. It wasn't a huge variety, but it was still very good.
Que tú a tus amigos.